Dollar signs in the chat. Dollar signs in the chat. Show me the money. Dollar signs in the chat. Show me the money. Oh, do I got some money lined up for you today? Oh, we got to talk this money. But first, we got to check on the big boys.
Aye, baby. Where you at? Fat niggas just rolled into NOLA, baby. The air thick with spice, sin, and second-line trumpets. First stop, Bourbon Street. These big boys showed up throwing beads and catching blessings.
Wait, is Mardi Gras a holiday or a lifestyle?
Then we slid into a jazz club built like a cathedral. Saxophone smoother than a Southern Addie's mac and cheese. These cats just put tears in this nigga's eyes. Then came the food tour. Beignets slapped like powdered heaven. Jambalaya busting with ancestral flavor. And the gumbo, hold up. The gumbo was off. Too bland, too skinny. And that's when a mysterious Creole unk in the corner whispered, y'all want that real gumbo? You gonna have to earn it in the bayou. Cue the airboat!
Babe, why does everything smell like old gravy and secrets?
These niggas deep in the swamp now. Spanish moss hanging like do-rags. Armed with a spice map, a crock pot, and fat nigga instincts. They was looking for the legendary gumbo root said to be guarded by an ancient Cajun granny named Mama Roo. Past gators, witch doctors, and a haunted rib shack.
Babe, that frog with a gold tooth just winked at me.
Finally, Mama's hut. She said, y'all came all this way for flavor? Then prove you can handle the heat. The challenge? 1 spoonful of devil's root, spicier than a fat nigga's Instagram DMs. Big boys ain't blinked once, cleared the pot. The swamp trembled. Mama Roo smiled. Y'all got the soul, she said. Now go feed the world. Back in the city, the gumbo hit different. Even the ghosts in the French Quarter came back for seconds.
This is the best thing I've ever put in my mouth. No offense, babe.
Hey, yo, shut the fuck up. It's fat nigga season.
That was a good one. That was a good one. That day, yeah, that was a good one. Yep. I like that one. This is genius. I like that. Yeah, that was fire. Yeah. Marketing. I love when promotion, the P and the 4 Ps. Okay. Every pog should be smashed to death by a fat ninja once in their life. Come on, Melissa. Wait a second. Everybody know Melissa. She came to Hotep Con, white girl. Why she just say a fat ninja? I'm pretty sure that was racist. I'm pretty sure we just offended at least 5% of the population. He said every white woman need to get smashed by a fat ninja once in her life. Melissa, what's going on, yo? Melissa, shout out. I fucking with her, yo. Oh my God. I can't even continue right now. I can't even finish the show. Oh, Melissa, I love you. I love you so much. You are hilarious. She gives 0 fucks. Okay. Oh man. Let's get into it. Let's talk. I gotta reorder it. We gotta talk big business. Then we gonna get to your pockets. Let's talk big business. First. I just bumped this up in the show just now. I just moved things around. Look at this here. Shout out to who sent this to me in the chat. Shout out to whoever this was sent this to me in the chat. Coinbase expands partnership with PayPal to advance stablecoin payments. Okay. It says right here, Coinbase enables its users to convert USD to PayPal. USD. PYUSD is going to be the ticker. For free on their platforms. The initiative reduces fee costs together with enhancing stablecoin PYUSD functionality for regular consumers. says the current market shows strong adoption growth for stablecoins because transaction volumes rose by 250% between 2023 to 2024 from 6.2 trillion to 22 trillion. Now, they have a joint venture, PayPal and Coinbase, through eBay that has promoted stablecoin adoption by establishing payment channels that enhance digital payments options for consumers along with business establishments. But chat, I got to ask you a question, chat. Got to ask you a question. What did your mama tell you about when things are free? You think they offering this stuff for free for no reason? You think they say all the time that Coinbase could have gave us no transaction fees? You think, what your mama tell you? What your mama tell you? Nothing is free. Don't trust it. Ain't nothing in life free. Axel Foley said, you the product. You the product, or somebody else said. Esau, yup. You see what I'm saying? Melissa said no free lunches. They are pushing that stable coin on us. Yesterday we reported, I think it was 3.7 kickback, daily accrue, paid out monthly. My boy Chase, he does the options trading on X. I'll show that to you right now. One of my rich white boys, you know. Wait, why is my X not loading? That was strange. What the fuck? Look at this. Look. Here go my boy Chaz right here, right? And he said, wait, for real? I said, yup, already live on Coinbase, coming to PayPal this summer. He said, which coin's doing this? And I told him USDC. USDC's got kickbacks. They got the little yield. And he's all over it. He wants a piece of this. He's ready to invest in the stable coins. This is what happens. I mean, they're going to make an offer you just cannot resist for stablecoin adoption. Stablecoins are coming. They're coming fast. Okay. $signs in the chat if you want to make some money. Not financial advice. Do your own research. If you're in the mood to make some money, $signs in the chat. I got something for you today. $signs in the chat if you want to see what I got in store for you. Kels, man, thank you for the gifted sub.
Oh, this is a real hotel brother.
I got big business here. I got some more big business, but this time you guys can capitalize on this. You know, I go deep in the trenches when I try to find these watch picks for y'all. You know, not financial advice. Do your own research. You ready for this one? You know, we like to look at the AI, but I got a sick AI play today. Okay. This play right here made me open up my phone. You know, I was like, hold on, I might have to put an order in. BigBear.ai. BBAI is the ticker. Leading provider of AI-powered decision intelligence solutions for defense and national security. Today announced it would deploy its AI ML-powered heavy manufacturing planning and production platform for Austal USA, one of the largest shipbuilders in the United States, and a module supplier for U.S. Navy submarines. You feel me? So we getting double banged. We getting double banged here. Pause. We getting more for our buck here. Okay, let's take a look. Oh fuck. Oh, last time I looked at this chart, it was I should have got that play in time. It was down here when I looked at it. It's moving. Oh my God. Let me look at the 1 day. Hold on a second. It's still going. $2.89. This is damn near a micro cap. Let's zoom out. Let's go to the 1 year. Look at that. Look at this. Highly volatile. Okay. Look at the 5 day chart. You see the cassavas? The hanging cassavas right here. You see them? They call it double bottom. I call it the hanging casabas. Okay, when you see them saggy casabas, you already know what time it is. Then the flag, and it's just going. Oh, my God. So it's going to give you double exposure. It's going to give you exposure to the military-industrial complex and exposure to AI, artificial intelligence. But I got more AI for you. I got more AI news for you. You know, I'm heavy into AI. AI is the future. You got to keep your eyes open. You got to keep your eyes open for the AI. Check this out. Boom. Right on the screen. You see it here. As it turns out, though, that doesn't apply to tech firms in the U.S. Some of China's most prominent companies have been stockpiling huge amounts of Nvidia's H20 AI chips in preparation for darker days. Check this out. This list includes Alibaba, tech conglomerate Tencent, and TikTok parent company ByteDance. All right. Local media reported that companies had asked Nvidia to ship an entire year's supply of the AI-focused GPUs as soon as possible. They got a quote right here from Nikkei Asia. The three companies had asked Nvidia to ship a total of around 1 million H20s, roughly a full year's supply as soon as possible, ideally by the end of May. One person briefed on the matter told Nikkei Asia. The actual number delivered fell short due to the Trump administration announcing in early April that these chips would need a license for export, this source added. Okay. Nikkei also reports that the value of those rush orders exceeded $12 billion, adding that Binance proved especially aggressive in its pursuit of Nvidia chips before the curbs took effect. According to sources, Nvidia managed to ship several millions worth of chips ahead of restrictions. So they was like, look, Trump wilding out. Let me get them chips ahead of time. We'll just give us a whole year's worth. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Nvidia. Let's look at the chart. Bingo bongo. There you go. We put this on your desk during the dip. We put this on your desk during the dip. You see what it's doing. Hopefully you can still got some dip on your chip. All right. And Nvidia's recovering well. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Well, you know, we be talking up that Nvidia. You know, we talk up that AI. You know, that's what we do over here. That's what we do. Hold on. Let's get back into big business. Big business is going down. Let's talk Bitcoin. Cantor skyrockets 130% as traders FOMO into the stock on Bitcoin SPAC. You guys familiar with SPACs? SPACs are very interesting. I spoke to my attorney about this a couple of years back. Special purpose acquisition company. Very, very interesting business model here. It says it's a shell company that goes public through an IPO with the intention of acquiring a private company. This allows the private company to go public without a traditional IPO. They just be making up shit as they go along. But SPAC it's one of the more new popular ways to launch a business. Okay. So you're basically creating a shell company with the purpose of buying another company. Then you IPO off of that. Okay. And a lot of people are jumping into those. A lot of big businesses jumping into those. It's called a SPAC. And shares in Cantor surged 55% on Tuesday and up an additional 15% in pre-market trading below $19. I think it's higher than that now. I think it's 20 something last time I checked. The skyward movement was driven by investor optimism around its proposed merger with 21 Capital, a Bitcoin native investment vehicle backed by Tether, Bitfinex, and SoftBank. That's Masayoshi Son's company. Big business over there at SoftBank. Led by Strike CEO Jack Malls and Brandon Lutnick, 21 Capital is being positioned as a public proxy for Bitcoin, potentially holding over 42,000 Bitcoin at launch, and introducing metrics like Bitcoin per share, or BPS, and Bitcoin rate of return, BRR, to measure shareholder value in BTC terms. Go on to say here, with BTC trading near 94,000, an entity holding near 4 billion in BTC exposure, investors are re-rating CEP as a high leverage bet on institutional Bitcoin adoption. Okay, the stock is set to relist under ticker XXI once the merger is finalized. Now, not financial advice. Do your own research, but usually what happens is you get a spike in the chart when the merger's announced. So now that we have like some lead time, you can get in now, and then when the merger goes through, when the news hits, you hit the sell button, and maybe you make some money. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Let's bring it up on the screen. Cantor Equity Partners. Just looking at this morning. What we looking like? What we looking like on the 1 day? Give me my candles. What the fuck is going on? Oh shit, my why has it got me on percent? Oh my God, why has it got me on percent? Wait, why did this? What did I hit, chat? I've never seen this before. I know one of y'all know how to do this shit. Is this the 1 day? This is the 1 day. What's the 6 day? Oh my God, look at that. That's crazy. A 220% jump? That's insane. That is insane. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this off percent, but let's keep it pushing. This is Cantor Equity Partners. Cantor Equity Partners. I must have hit something. Anyway, we'll come back. Yeah, that's kind of crazy, right? Got another one here for you. We still in the AI lane. And I got something else on tuck for you too. We still in the AI lane, and I got something on tuck. You guys are gonna want to hang out and watch that one. Okay, watch this. So first, we back in the AI lane, and I got another AI stock for you. Talked about this on my X this morning. Sound AI. Right click the sidebar. You can change it there. Hold on a second. Let me just fix my shit real fast. I must have hit something. Why is this one? Why did it change back now? Cantor Equity Partners. What the hell was that? Why did it? Anyway, here we go. This is the 1 day on Cantor. It spiked up to 38. The 5 day. Look at the 5 day. Imagine if you knew about this beforehand. This would have been crazy. It go to 1 month. Crazy. This is a crazy pop for Cantor Equity Partners. So I don't know. Maybe you want to get in now. I don't know. Maybe play the options. I don't know. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Anyway, Soundhound AI. Thank you, Renee. With a market cap of $3.3 billion, Soundhound is one of the smallest public companies that's heavily exposed in the AI revolution to specialize in AI applications related to audible speech, such as automated drive-through windows. AI, imagine you pull up to McDonald's and you talking to the AI. Also, customer service phone calls. Call center is over. If you in the call center, you better try to move to upper management fast. Sev said 2 years. Know Thyself said we already got that in GA. It's over. It's over. They got the AI voices. They're gonna come in accents. All types of shit. AI drive-through. They got AI drive-through. This segment should experience rapid growth. A recent report from market research company SNS Insider forecasts that the AI voice generator market, valued at $3.2 billion in 2023, will grow to a $40 billion market cap by 2032. Soundhound's revenue hit a record last quarter, rising 101% year over year to $34.5 million. The stock trades at 32.5 times sales, showing that the market has already priced in a lot of anticipated growth. But It's possible that the market still underestimates Soundhound's long-term growth potential. The downsides are, well, the giants of big tech and their massive research and development budgets, many of them are heavily invested in voice applications. But when it comes to publicly traded AI companies with massive upside potential, Soundhound tops the list according to mitrade.com. So the ticker on this bad boy is SOUN. SOUN. Let's take a look at the chart. Soundhound AI, there it is. Bingo bongo. You see the jump. You see the jump right there when the news hit. Pow, just jump right up. Something to think about. You know, keep your eye on it. There's the 3 month. There's the year to date. There's the 1 year. Okay. That's all time. It's coming back to equilibrium, actually. Break even from the IPO. But it seems to be. I mean, look at this trend. This trend is crazy. Look at this trend. See that trend right there? That's cray cray. That's cray cray. That's cray cray. The trend is trending. Okay? The trend is trending. All right? Keep your eye out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. All right, here's what I got in the tuck for y'all. Here's what I got in the tuck for y'all. Y'all ready for this one? Dollar signs in the chat. Dollar signs in the chat. This is what you came here today for. Okay? Dollar signs in the chat. Wait till I show you this shit. Oh, man. This is crazy. Nancy Pelosi. Is she still winning? Shout out to Mike Has Bad Knees, subscribing for 9 months. Here's how her stock market bets are doing so far in 2025. Tempest AI.
Hotep, you're a genius. HotepJesus.com.
Tempest AI. So she knows something we don't know. Or do we know?
Hotep, you're a genius. HotepJesus.com.
Nancy Pelosi's betting on AI. Okay? She purchased 50 call options on Tempest AI with a strike price of $20 that expires January 16, 2026. Okay? The estimated investment was about $80,000. Currently, it's that trade is worth $116,000. Doty said, Tem is up. Ben told you. Doty, Ben told you. Nancy's in on that. Guess what else she's in on? Nvidia. Yes, sir. She's down on that trade, obviously, because of the tariffs and all of that. But she's in on it. The other thing she's in on right here is Vistra Corp. And Vistra Corp is wait, what is this? Like some sort of construction? No, I'm sorry. This is energy. This is energy. So VST is the ticker on this. She's in on energy too. She's up on this trade as well. She's up on Amazon, and she's in on Google, Alphabet. Okay, those are her trades, or some of the trades that she's placed options on this year. Okay, Tem, Nvidia, Vistra Corp, Amazon, and Alphabet. Crazy. Shout out to Nancy. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. And that includes our money update of the day. Don't you just feel richer? Don't you just feel richer? You just feel like money now. You know what I'm saying? Don't you just feel like money now? You feel like you belong on Wall Street after all of that. You know? Fire update.